How to download bank statement in Simply Financial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your bank statement from Simply Financial in just a few simple steps. So start by logging into your Simply Financial app or website account. So once you're in, select the account that you would like to download the statement for. So whether it's for checking or savings. Next, go to the account info and select view statements. Here you will find a list of all available statements. Then scroll down to find the month and year you want. So once you have selected it, look for the sharing icon and tap on it. You will then see the options to save it to your files. Then tap Save to Files and your statement will be downloaded and ready for viewing whenever you need it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.